almost synchronized. So here's Droid. Here's Nexus. Here's Nokia. In person, this is the best screen. They can all skip and instant skipping, so they decode just fine. 20 point in the video. So it's just, if anything, this one's haven't. The Droid has a little bit of trouble. They're skipping. It takes a little bit of lag. See how it stops? Nexus doesn't stutter. Nokia doesn't stutter. But you know, touch is a little spotty.